This video una dey watch, so this thing happen for USA, United States of America. See the man? Him neighbor dey make noise. Because of noise now he kpai the man. He kpai the man and him pikin. And the wife sef get belle o. Dey see am? Dey see am? You dey your house, person come, you dey make noise, your neighbor come tell you say you dey disturb. Instead of you to just waka jejeje, tell am sorry, enter your house, you come dey threa ten am, you wan fight am, you go dey carry scissors. You dey carry scissors for country wey be like say you know say gun dey very very legal. You go carry scissors. Wetin scissors wan do for you now? Answer me now. Wetin scissors wan do? You dey see am? The wife come warn am. Wife warn am o. The man dey there. That one go carry scissors now, come dey threa ten am. Dey use scissors dey threa ten person wey hold gun. Ha! Okay o. Make we see how this thing go end. Yeah. You shoot am o. 2 gunshots. You say, okay. You dey see? Hey, this kind of thing, na why I like Naija, my country. Gun no dey legal. If person do, you see say, omo, this one pass you. You go japa o. Now, you don go waste in life because of noise when they make. For Broklin, USA, they make noise now. They don't kpai am now. He and the pikin don go like that. When you know say everybody for Broklin na wood na Ajegule na. Who they tell you say anybody tell you for Nigeria say they Broklin for USA? Na Ajegule. Broklin na Ajegule for United States. May nobody deceive you. For Ajegule, be like say everybody na tout. They carry gun up and down. You go the follow person, they sharp mouth because say na your neighbor or one thing. You don't know say whether they don't put price for your head. Ha! God abeg o. Help us so make you dey save your children. Now this man now don't go like that. The wife now get belle. How you want to do? He go born pikin with her papa because of small argument, small argument. See, make we always dey very very careful. Let us be very careful because see, when I see wetin happen for this video now, just small thing, bang, e don go, and na so e take go. Nothing wey you fit talk again. You don go like that. But we just dey try dey very careful, very very careful. Especially with people where they argue with, people where they exchange word with, they dey very careful. Me God no allow bad thing happen to us. So my people, I beg, make una subscribe, subscribe, click the subscribe button, share this video, share it, like. May you comment what you think for this video. Comment down for down. Don't forget to just comment what you think. Yeah, now maybe your boy Don Mosko when no get career, just to see whether blogging go favor me. Might do am. You understand? We see the fine career, I don't do comedy, I don't do acting. Now I say I do blogging. I see whether there go, there my destiny day. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. God bless you. Thank you.